80 animals.
Deer. Hi again. Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you today? I'm very good. Are you enjoying this class? Great! Today, we're going to learn about deer. This is a deer. It has pretty eyes. Now, let's study some words by looking at pictures.
Species. A species is a class of plants or animals. The class has almost the same look. A flock of birds are flying in the picture. They are the same species. They almost look same. Branch. The branches of a tree grow out from its trunk. In the picture, many branches grow out from the trunk. Leaves are on the branches. Plant. This is a kind of plant. A plant is a living thing. It has a stem, leaves, and roots. Do you have a plant in your house? Do you know the plant's name?
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Branch. Plant. Species. It's time to read a story. After you read, you'll take a quiz. Do you know the character Bambi? It's a deer in an animation. Bambi is a white-tailed deer. In fact, there are many kinds of deer in the world. The smallest deer is Poodoo. It weighs around 10 kilograms. Moose are the largest of all deer species. A moose weighs over 400 kilograms. Male deer have horns. The horns are called antlers. A kind of deer, elk, has very large antlers. Most female deer don't have antlers. Deer live in the forest. Their antlers look like tree branches in the forest. They eat plants, fruit, and grass. What is the largest deer? Elk. White-tailed deer. Which deer has horns?
Male. Female. What is true? A deer's horns are called antlers. Large deer eat small deer.
Did you like the class? Great! I did too. That's all for now. Goodbye.